So we're working on a 67 Camaro here, and thought I'd give a little details on putting in this rear window windlace trim and the corner covers here. So you want to make sure that excuse me, this windlace here, that you wrap your sail panels around the little metal trim that's right under here, that goes between the window frame trough and so this is the metal here that the headliner wraps around. So you do a headliner, whatever, and you want to make sure that the windlace goes back all the way down so that these corner pieces, see, they're notched out so it will fit around that guy. And this is a 67 Camaro, but I'm using a 69 one-piece windlace piece, and basically makes it a lot easier, especially in the corners if you're doing a new one, to get in here. And I used a screwdriver to just kind of relieve the windlace a little bit. Kind of see some marks every few inches just to spread it out and make it go on easier. Otherwise you're going to be fighting it forever, and it's not really molded that well for the corners, so it came wrapped up in rolled in a bag, so you got to force it in there yourself. Yeah, and that's about it. Otherwise, some other tips that might be handy on this kind of stuff is on 67s, you do need to put the pillar molding on first before the dash pad. And this is a reproduction dash pad. It's got 4 holes. In case you don't know where they're at, there's one here, one about here, one about here, and one about right there. And it is possible to get all of those with basically all the dash components still in place, but definitely not an easy job, but can be done. And yeah, that's about it. Hopefully that'll be helpful for some people.